Morning.
My name is Hassan. I am the legal and regional officer.
This is not a new name, of course, within the vision and the work of IPOA. Okay, and yes, I know the others will read and speak to them, but they have chosen that they want to come.
IPOA, I think we have expressed some of the concerns that we have with the police in terms of cooperation. Some of our staff in different regions have expressed a worrying trend of police stations like OCS failing to give or refusing to give documentation which is in their control before asking for authority from the IG or the High Command, which is very much a delaying tactic. We have also seen in some cases police officers who have been summoned to give statements saying that we cannot come without our lawyer. And there are very few lawyers who are attached to the police. And this also delays the work of IPOA. These are things that we have been collecting as we are doing our regional visit from Nyeri, Meru, Embu, Garissa, and then we're going back to Nakuru, Eldoret, Kisumu. Once we finish our regional visit, we will go back to Nairobi, prepare a report, and then have our meeting with the IG again to look at these bottlenecks.
The OCSs, the junior officers and the OCPDs, even my fellow county commanders should embrace the IPOA body. This will help them in supervision or supervising the officers themselves and on the checks and balance of the officers on service delivery to the members of the public.
The IPOA has been here for over 10 years now, but it appears like there are quite a number of people who do not know what it does.